welcome back to Diana's Kitchen. I'm back today to bake you zucchini muffin. First of all, today is so beautiful outside. Thank you to all my subscribers. Please leave me comments below, share the video, like my video. So you need 3 nice size zucchini. I think you call this maybe mediums because you need to grate the zucchini. So here's the shredded zucchini. It's about 4 cups, I think. 4 cups, yeah. Add all the dry ingredients first. So you need your teaspoon of baking soda, your 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 3 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. So you mix all the dry ingredients. Add the 2 cups of brown sugar, packed brown sugar. So dry ingredients all together, including the brown sugar. Need to chop your walnuts. Here's the walnuts, chopped, coarsely chopped, and I'm gonna put it with the dry ingredients. Again, I'm gonna put it here. I'm going to chop the raisin, the 3/4 cups of raisin. I don't have to really chop it, but I like it chopped. If you don't like it chopped, you don't have to do it. You have the option, but I like it chopped. I mixed all the dry ingredients. They're all ready right here. Now we're gonna add the 4 eggs, 4 beaten eggs, your 1/2 cup of butter, 1/2 cup of your oil, cooking oil, and cold water. I have about 1 cup here, but I don't think I'm gonna use them all. Perhaps just 1/2 cup, because you don't want it too watery. Have to get the right consistency of the dough. Looks good. That's the right. A little bit more water perhaps. So right now I'm using another 2 tablespoons. You have to watch it. So I think altogether I used 2/3 cup of just cold water. Okay, we're gonna scoop the mixture. So you need about 2 scoops, the ice cream scoop. yeah, it's perfect. Nothing stick on the... That's great. Now take it out, let it cool. So looks done. I hope it tastes good. This is Diana's Zucchini Muffin. This is my own recipe. I don't follow recipe. This is my own. So I hope you can try it to your family and friends. With no paper. See? The pan is non-stick, so it didn't stick. Look. So let's try it. Ooh. Yummy. Yummy. Still hot. But it's good when it's hot. Really good. Perfect. Not too sweet. I hope you enjoy watching my baking. Really simple. It's not hard. You can make it to your family. It's good for breakfast. It's good for snack. Whatever you want to do, it's good. So here we go again. We're done another menu. This time it's baking. So please like the video, subscribe to the video, share the video, and make sure you leave comments below. I really would like to see your comments on my video on YouTube, not on Facebook, not on Instagram. Okay, so see you for another cooking at Diana's Kitchen. Bye!